I own one like this. It was midnight blue.
It was blue.
Midnight blue.
It had racks on the back.
It had the luggage rack on the back, and the midnight blue had speckles in it. So at nighttime,
Oh, like a metallic?
metallic. 180 horsepower.
A get up and gozer. You guys are done. Tired for the day. Break time. Ready for when you're.
That's my bun.
Cheers.
It's done.
Dog, sauerkraut, and beans.
Dining out.
Yeah, we're dining out, literally.
Side,
Cheers.
the driver.
Cheers.
And as he pulled me out, I bounced off
Wish you were
a couple
here.
trees.
I think you're charring it now.
Yeah.
You're like crispy critter.
Yeah. I want to pull it out.
Yeah.
Mine?
Yeah.
I can't see it too good.
Oh, it's black.
Oh yeah. Both sides? It's crunchy.
It's crunchy.
Okay.
I'll go get some buns. Which way do you go?
Follow the arrow.
Follow the arrow.
Like this.
Depends on which way they hung it. Which way you gonna go? No, we don't want. We don't want to go that way.
Go to hell.
Yeah, go to hell. How you doing, Jay?
Thanks, you guys. How are you? There you are.
Happy Saturday.
Good on,
Peace.
thanks.
Here we are at Hershey's World. Let's get some chocolate.
Yeah.
capital of the
Finish it?
richest country in the world.
Good.
And
Was it good?
The whole thing.
Therefore,
Want another one?
everyone-
Gone.
No, that's basically it. They
Gone.
got more than everyone else because everyone else
One's
blew
plenty.
them off.
It was good.
Like that.
That's a wrap.
Closing the door.
Closing the door last time. Joe, we gotta go.
And there she goes. Have to go back.
Yeah. We had fun though.
Hershey
2018.
Yay!
Thumbs up. See you next year.
Hopefully.
Well, give him a kiss or something. What are you posing for a picture? Hershey, take a bite of that sucker.
That's what I did.